This is the Woodford 15220 diverter assembly for the S3 and S4 hydrant. This will be the complete diverter assembly. We'll get it out of the package here. So we'll come with this rubber O-ring here and a rubber O-ring here as well. Screw there, and you can see the spring that is inside that body. Then that is plastic, and that feels to be brass. Of course, you've got threads here. You can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the complete assembly. So the total measurement, so it measures right at about 1.5 inches. You get an outside diameter of the bottom here. You can see that's right at about 1.25 inches. And then outside diameter of this little brass ring. And that measures right at about 1.5 inches, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 15220 diverter assembly for the S3 and S4 hydrants.